AI tools for digital marketing. Jasper.ai. Jasper is a versatile AI writing assistant that can help with everything from blog writing to social media posts. It offers advanced features like tone analysis and can optimize content for specific audiences. Flick. Flick is an AI tool that can help with Instagram content creation and scheduling. It can suggest hashtags, captions, and posting times based on the user's past performance. Growth Bar. Growth Bar is a tool that helps with SEO optimization by providing keyword suggestions, backlink data, and website analytics. It can also analyze competitors' websites to help users stay ahead of the game. Phrasee. Phrasee is an AI tool that can help with email marketing. It uses natural language generation to create engaging subject lines and email copy that can improve open and click-through rates. Smartwriter.ai. Smartwriter is an AI writing assistant that can help with content creation across various platforms, including blog posts, social media, and ad copy. It can suggest topics, headlines, and even entire articles based on user preferences. Optimove. Optimove is an AI tool that helps with customer relationship management by analyzing customer behavior and preferences. It can create personalized campaigns that increase customer engagement and retention. Acrolinks. Acrolinks is an AI tool that helps with content optimization by providing style and tone suggestions. It can also check for spelling and grammar errors and ensure brand consistency across multiple platforms. Instatext. Instatext is an AI tool that helps with writing professional emails. It can suggest phrases, sentences, and even entire emails based on user preferences and context. Grammarly. Grammarly is a popular AI-powered tool that checks for spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors in written content. It also provides suggestions for sentence structure and style improvements. Seventh Sense. Seventh Sense is an AI tool that helps with email marketing by analyzing open and click-through rates to suggest the best times to send emails. It can also personalize emails based on the recipient's behavior and preferences. Brandwatch Consumer Intelligence. Brandwatch is an AI-powered social media monitoring tool that can help businesses understand customer sentiment and track brand reputation. It can analyze social media data from various platforms to provide insights into consumer behavior. Market Muse. Market Muse is an AI tool that helps with content optimization by suggesting topics and keywords that are likely to perform well in search engine rankings. It can also analyze competitors' content to help users stay ahead of the game.